this place is awesome. And we want to give God the glory first, and also our former governor. He had a vision, and he grabbed that vision, and he actualized that vision. So he set everything ready. And unfortunately, this place could not start when he was governor. But we have a very amiable, capable governor that stepped up to his shoes and is performing exactly what his predecessor did. And we are happy that under him, this place is commencing. He said he is going to consolidate on the policies of the former governor. And we are seeing that, and we are most grateful to God that he has continued with that policy. And from what you see going on today, this school has started. Today is Sunday, October 8th, and you can see what is going out at the seminar hall where we are meeting, and those that are outside this place. And what you are seeing here today is not only what our students, the youth of this state, have been longing for. They have yearned for this for a very long time. And today is like a winning day for them. It is a day they will never forget.
My name is Mustafa K. Jr. and I come from Adamawa State. I would like to thank the governor for opening the school and giving us the chance and opportunity to be admitted into the school. I feel very happy being admitted to the school. I feel like it's a great opportunity for me to be here.
My name is Ozinili Steady from River State, and so I want to say thank you to the governor for this big opportunity. Like, it's a life changing for me. Feel amazing, like it's a dream come true. Like, all days I've been happy, like when will this happen, and where I come from, no opportunities. But I was so happy when the governor, I heard that there's a Real-Madrid Academy and they have started admission for girls. I was so happy.
Well, my name is Akuha Aijo, Benue State. I have prayed to God that, oh God, please grant me this wish. And finally, I'm here. So I don't know what will happen next. I'll just put my best and I'll make sure that I make my family proud, especially my dad, because I know he worked hard for this and I don't want to let him down. I want to tell him thank you for everything that he has done, and may God continue to bless him.
My name is Vetru Herbert Itekena. I am from River State. I feel happy to know that I am in this school because it's a great privilege for me and my family. I know that I will make my family proud because they are all counting on me. And I also want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the governor and to every other person who participated in the admission of this school, me being in this school.
So my name is Pelaniami, but you can call me Pelani to make it easier. So I'm happy. My Pelani Ogiri, so I'm happy to be promoted because I'm so glad that my parents they tried so hard for me to come to this level, and I thank God for everything. So about the governor, I say God will bless him all. God will provide for him. We thank you. We appreciate him for everything he has done in the mind.
My name is Joker Jonathan. I am from Benue State. I'm thanking God for allowing me to come to this school and also the people that made me to come to this school. I say God should bless them and the governor. I'm happy that he opened this school. So
my name is Mustafa Kari Bukar. I'm from Adamawa State. I came with my son to this excellent school, Real-Madrid Academy, one of its best of its kind in Africa. And though we know, yes, it was established some time back, but we really want to thank the governor, the executive governor of River State, both present and the past. The government have really tried, sinking such huge funds for this excellent academy. And we as parents are very happy. We can see the children are all here to school, both academically and equally on the football side. you play, you school, you play, you school. So, and our prayers is, for the government to keep up the good works.
Miss Mrs. Biba Tennyson Jaja. I'm from Rivers State, Poponkoro local government. My child is here, Caribe Ivan Jaja. I'm very proud because I've been longing for this. I've heard about this Real-Madrid since 2020, and today is a dream come true. And I would like the government, even after the tenures, they should continue, let there be continuity in this project. It's a good one. It will help our children to be focused and to get their drive to be what they want to be.